Good morning, YouTube and all the world. I hope you're having a wonderful day. This is William from Williams, Philippines. And today is May 18th. It's about 2 o'clock, a little after, in the AM. And I had a pretty busy day. Yesterday I got a few things I took care of. I now have a mailbox. Yay! Got all that started up and took care of, and yeah, so now I need to start pushing the stuff to it that I want to go, so that I can have my important stuff go there instead of going to my house, so I can get used to it. And yeah, just give me a time to get my things moved over. Yeah, the credit cards, the banking, that kind of fun stuff. Uh, want that to go to there so I can have my important mail go there instead of having it go and sit in a mailbox on the side of the road at my permanent address. So yeah, and then since I'm selling my house, that is probably a good thing to have a mailbox. So yay, I'm doing good there. Got therapy scheduled July 2nd, I think is what it was. I got it in my phone. I was almost asleep when she called to schedule today, so yay. But it is what it is for my neck and my lower back, so they're going to be doing that. I got here and started doing the evil Wing here at my job. Yay. And hauled off, and one of my guests, I was talking with him, and I might have sold a couple of my guns. So, yay. I'm hoping that it happens. He's supposed to be coming back through for next month, so we'll see. Sorry, my neck and shoulder were acting up. So I might have a couple of my guns sold, and I'm going to carry one of my pistols down to the gun show and see what I can get offered on it, and maybe one of my little 22 rifles. See what I can get offered on it, and take and do the pricing on a bunch of different guns for the ones I have. See if I can get a ballpark figure to work with as to this is what's costing now, so I can have an idea of what I want to sell mine for. Yeah, it's amazing how much things are costing nowadays, and yeah, it is what it is. But the gun show is going to be $8, and I'll get over there sometime around. Well, I'll go home and eat something, and then go over there sometime around 8:39, so I can wander through and check prices. Because yeah, I want to try to get a few good prices there. Anyway, let's see. I did say I got my post office box. And that was interesting. Got to talk to the lady about the pharmacy, and I've got that part started. I think I did that on Thursday, so you probably heard about that yesterday. And yeah, trying to keep the Three Ring Circus going. I tossed out a few more things. My bookcase is out and gone, so, well, not gone, it's out. But it's, yeah, I got a little bit more of the another one partially emptied, so I've got a second one I need to finish off and try to get going. I'll do little bits, possibly get that one out on Sunday. We'll see. And yeah, trying to figure out what to do with what. Yeah, all that fun stuff. I don't know, man. It's just, there is so much going on. I don't even know where to begin at this point. Anyway, I hope folks are having a good day. I was watching one video here just a little bit ago and heard about some guy came in and was dopehead, pothead, and he was talking with kids and mentioned dope. Hey, might not be the brightest thing to do. Just saying. I believe in choice. So, he can choose what he does with him. But when it starts influencing children, then he's getting into territory that ain't real good. And well, I'm for reality. And if it happens to slap him, yeah. Hope he survives it, but I do hope it's painful. Don't get me wrong, I've had my stupid moments in life too, so like I say, I hope he survives it. Yeah, heard that over a cup of coffee. So yeah, there's so much going on over there that I just want to get over there right now. Start living. But yeah, I was talking to that guest that's thinking about my guns, about retiring over there. That's why I'm selling them. And he started questioning me as to, what he could do for, his retirement as a possible idea going over there. So I was telling him, yeah, go live. You could be quite comfortable on what you can afford. And yeah, oh, I wish I was there now. Anyway, I've been working through different things here and getting things took care of, and I've got a little package coming in tomorrow, supposed to be, and I hope it helps. I'll find out. And yeah, I'm gonna have to work with it for a bit before I know for sure, but trying to improve things, and every little bit counts. It's another one of these things I gotta take in. Yeah, wait, trying to keep track of everything, it's cost to this, cost to that. And was hearing about the people coming in with brand new phones, and customs there in Manila acting crazy about it because it's still in a box. I don't know. And they were only having 2 phones. I'm like, okay. You mean I gotta have just 2 phones? They're gonna look at me crazy if I have 4? Yeah. I have 4 phones that, actually I'm thinking 5. 2 of them are gonna be literally, what do you call, use them as a controller unit for the drone, so I can have the drone and work and see where it's going from the camera on it. So yay. Are they going to be weird about that? Me having 2 phones for that, one for that and one for a backup? My inner Boy Scout does not like having just one of anything, because, well, 1 is none, 2 is 1. Yeah. Boy Scouts, be prepared. Yeah, it is what it is. So, yeah, I'm trying to go through all that. And I was watching another lady eating something or something like. Anyway, she does a lot on customs and getting in and out of through customs and passports and such coming into the Philippines. She does that kind of information, and she's got one up. It's on my queue for doing the e-travel customs part of it. I'm like, hey, does it all have to be on e-travel? Can't you just fill out the papers? I have a pen. I'd really rather write it, because quite honestly, the stuff on a screen is really small. I'm old. My eyes aren't that good. And they're wanting me to try to read these itty bitty letters and get things right. I'd rather be able to look at it and, yeah, put it up here on my nose so I can read it and fill it out that way. I don't know. Do they still allow it? I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, I'm going to make this one a short one today. I hope y'all are having a blessed day. And, well, I'm William from Williams, Philippines. And y'all have a blessed day. Later blessings. Bye-bye. And I'm Fish. And hey, Fish is out.